So currently we're at the Diepkloof police station. Members of Operation Dudula have gathered here from earlier this morning, basically demanding the release of 3 women who were arrested yesterday outside the Lillian Ngoyi Clinic in the Diepkloof area. They allegedly stormed into the clinic and went into the maternity ward, then tried to remove a pregnant woman, claiming that she was a foreign national. So I'm just going to bring in one of the Operation Dudula members, Tami, to give us an idea of what's happening here today, what are you demanding, and just give us clarity on what exactly transpired yesterday.
Okay, thank you very much, and good morning to our viewers at home. Okay, so we are here at Diepkloof police station as a result of three of our members which got arrested yesterday at Lillian Ngoyi Clinic. They got arrested yesterday as a result of the patriots, South African citizens that have taken a stand to go and demand that illegal foreigners in particular that are coming into the country, stealing our medication, abusing our system, our healthcare systems, should not be given those rights, because constitutionally they are not supposed to get those rights. So these members were apprehended inside, and I know that it's going to be misplaced. The information has not gotten correctly. It's going to be misplaced. These 3 members had gotten inside to go and establish the facts, to go and find out who is an illegal foreigner in the country. They had not even gotten to ask those questions, but they were in the maternity ward to try and find out. First of all, when we conduct this operation, we engage with the staff first before we engage with whoever is not supposed to be there.
Operation Dudula women face court over Soweto Clinic Incident. 3 women from Operation Dudula are expected to appear in the Orlando Magistrates Court on Monday after allegedly entering a Soweto clinic and demanding that patients produce their identity documents to prove their nationality. The incident took place on Thursday at the Lillian Ngoyi Clinic in Diepkloof, Soweto. The women, aged between 49 and 60, reportedly entered the maternity ward and disrupted services by questioning patients and demanding to see their identity documents. Police were called to the scene after the suspects were locked inside one of the labor wards, where both staff and patients felt their rights had been violated. Gauteng Police spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Mavela Masondo said the women were arrested and charged with contravention of the National Health Act and public violence, among other offences. Operation Dudula, an anti-migrant group, launched a nationwide campaign in June aimed at preventing undocumented foreign nationals from accessing healthcare services at public facilities. The group has been blocking foreign nationals from receiving treatment across Gauteng, claiming public healthcare should be reserved for South African citizens only. They argue the country's healthcare system is overburdened and cannot support undocumented immigrants. The group's actions have drawn sharp criticism from government officials and human rights organizations, while some community members have expressed support. In a separate incident in Buissens, 2 suspects were arrested after allegedly assaulting a man at a local clinic. It is alleged that on Monday, August 4th, the victim was queuing for treatment when a woman approached him and demanded to see his ID or passport, said Masondo. When he could not produce the documents, she called 2 accomplices who then assaulted the man and forced him to leave the facility. The victim later reported the incident to the Buissens police station. 2 suspects were arrested and charged with contravention of the National Health Act and common assault. Like and subscribe now.